Hey, my name is Rudy, and today we're going to work on replacing the 2003 pump. My windshield washer pump wasn't working on my 2003 BMW, and here's a short and sweet on how to get it replaced. So, I did hard work already here. I'm just going to walk you through the procedures. The pump looks like this. The part number for the 2003 can be found in your manual. It's also PAG 6B8F30. Make sure it looks like this. So the procedure is actually very simple. You go in here, and we're back. Sorry about that. There is a bolt right here that you want to unscrew. I got a general purpose wrench that works for that. And what you want to do is the pump is right down here. So first thing you want to do is you want to very carefully reach down here. And again, like I said, I'm one-handed with my camera here. You want to push down on the button there and remove that plug. You can kind of see the plug coming out. Like I said, it's easier when the wires are out. So you got the push-pull right here. Just go ahead and press on that. It'll come right out. There's a connector. The next thing you want to do is the fun part. There's also a wire down here that you want to be very careful of to mess with, not to break off. So if you rock it out, again, like I said, a little bit harder, the thing comes right out. Mine here, the cover was never assigned to anything. I can't figure out where it goes to, but our pump is right down here. So what we want to do is, very carefully, you want to jiggle this hose till it comes off. The problem is when you lift this pump out of here, it's going to spew the liquid all over the floor or wherever you're working on. When I got it out, I placed it on its side to keep the water from dripping out. I did lose a bit, but not a big deal. Anyway, slide in the pump all the way through, reattach the hose right here, and rock it back into its spot, and it will sink right in. Then you want to take the connector, which is right there, plug it all the way in until you hear the click. There it is. And then you want to put in this screw. Like I said, I'm one-handed here, so it takes me a little longer than it would take you, or if I brought out my ratchet set. Get it nice and tight. Check, make sure. Take the old pump out. Turn the key. Life is good. If you have any questions, let me know on my channel when I eventually get one on YouTube. Meantime, have a wonderful day.